In this segment, you will learn how to install a patch panel using Fuser 110B. Benefits of using Fuser 110B include fast cure, built-in corrosion protection, glass bead bond line control.
First, with an air saw or air chisel, remove large portions of the rusted or damaged panel. Use a spot weld cutter to drill out spot welds and remove the remaining weld flanges of the panel to be replaced. Be sure to leave 1 inch of the existing panel for overlapping with the new patch panel. Grind all mating surfaces to which Fuser metal bonding adhesive will be applied. It is important to grind all mating surfaces to the bare metal. If there is a galvanized coating, be sure to grind to the bare steel. Use compressed air to remove dust and debris. Prepare the patch panel by pre-fitting to the original panel. Carefully grind the entire outer edge of the patch panel to which Fuser 110B will be applied, making sure to remove any E-coat and galvanizing. Pre-bevel the edge of the overlapping metal to less than 10 degrees with a 36 to 50 grit grinding disc. Taper the beveled edge so there is a smooth transition. It is important to note that prior to using any two-component adhesive, seam sealer, or foam, dispense a small amount of material from the cartridge to ensure an even flow of both components. Then attach a mixing tip and dispense a small amount of material until uniformly mixed. This is a key step in all repairs. Apply a 1/4 to 3/8 inch bead of Fuser 110B to the patch. 110B has a work time of between 5 and 8 minutes at 70 degrees Fahrenheit or 21 degrees Celsius. Install the patch panel onto the body of the vehicle. Panels should never be pulled away from the vehicle once the part has been positioned. If the panel must be repositioned, slide it against the vehicle to maintain contact between the two surfaces and the adhesive. Clamp evenly or apply screws in hard-to-clamp areas. Wipe off excess adhesive prior to curing. Allow the Fuser 110B to cure for 20 to 30 minutes at 70 degrees Fahrenheit or 21 degrees Celsius. Then remove all clamps and screws. Remove all excess adhesive with a 36 to 50 grit disc. Make sure that the cosmetic section seam has a smooth transition. First, apply fiber-filled body filler to the section seam. Allow to cure and contour sand. Next, apply a skim coat of conventional body filler. Allow to cure and rough sand. Once the adhesive fully cures, block sand, then prime and refinish per the paint manufacturer's recommendations.
This completes the patch panel installation procedure using Fuser 110B. For more information, visit www.lord.com/Fuser. Call 877-ASK-LORD or contact your local Fuser distributor.